scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Cancer cell survival depends on internal chemical reactions. We must predict how an inhibitor affects survival by analyzing the conversion process. Let's begin.
First, we identify that the protein SDR2 normally catalyzes the conversion of DAC-S3 into DACones. These DACones are the specific molecules that cause protein misfolding and lead to cell death. Next, we introduce an allosteric inhibitor which stops SDR2 from working correctly. This means the chemical reaction is blocked, so the cell will produce significantly fewer D-cones than it normally would.
Since D-cones kill cells, fewer of them allow more HAP cells to survive. This confirms the prediction in option C.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the information and check steps for option C.